Hi guys, and today we are with Soul Republic. Now we have got their Amps Airs here. This is the first edition. These are really good. I got these in September 2017. They've not let me down. The sound quality on these are same, pretty much on par with Apple's product. And these are just really, really good. Even the quality of the box, I mean the price you pay for them, I got them on Amazon, and because I worked basically 10 years at a company, they sent me a check, so I really actually paid £4 for these out of my own pocket. But they are over £100, but they are absolute quality. So if you want something that's Bluetooth, get these for your phones. But yeah, but let's open it, let's see. So straight away there, you can see the product in there, which is the two Air Amps, their little AirPods. So if we open that up, give it a little shake, get these out, there we go, so they come out of there, pull this open, and there's one, so they've got R and L on them, so you put them in your ears, like so, like that, very good, and when you take them out, let's just put them out for a bit, you then get this bit, see, look at this quality, just like you do with some of these other expensive firms. And inside you have this, is Soul Republic's Soundtrack of Life, which is pretty cool. You then have this little device here, nice sturdy metal, if it's steel or what. Inside, this is where you put them. So you've got a little bit here that goes in there, and they light up red to say they're charging. That then closes down. If we take that out again, put these in, you'll hear a little noise. When they're in your ear, you'll get little LEDs that come up and show you how much charge time is left in there. But anyway, when they charge up, they last 15 charges. So you charge this up with USB-C, and that takes, I think it's something like an hour and a half maybe, and then you actually, when you take the pods out and put them in your ears, you get 15 full charges out of that. But you get continuous up to 3 hours of play. Now that's video play, music play, you know, I sync my phone with iTunes, I watch a lot of YouTube as well. I work 5 days a week, so those 5 days you can get up to about 40-45 hours of playback basically in total, which is really good. You can also plug this in to your phone and charge your phone with this. I think it's got 2020 in battery size. They have got another version out, but we'll talk about that. Well, it's coming out later this year in September. But anyway, yep, so you've got that. You've also, if you open this bit, again, quality, you get a booklet, a thick booklet, with all the bump in there, tells you about water resistant, splash resistant, things like that. I've used them in a marathon, it was just over an hour long marathon, and they stayed in my ear perfectly. You also get these little bits in here, which I haven't used, but depending on the size of your inside ear, they'll fit any size. So there are people out there that say they don't fit in your ear. They do, they stay in your ear if you use the correct one. And you've got USB-C cable here, but I use a bigger one, because a longer one, because my plug socket's quite far, so I use that. And that is pretty much it, but they are really, really good. Like I say, they're on the same quality par as Apple's version. They really are good. But this is just so nice. You know, it just feels quality. When you take them out, you hear a noise, which is really good. And there we go. They're now synced to the phone. So that is it. They sync perfectly to the phone. Very quickly indeed. And like I say, they last up to 3 hours. Now they bring out another version of these, which I think is QI or QI. You stick it to the phone, it'll charge your phone. splash resistance is higher, and the Bluetooth is 5. With these, I think, are 4.2s. That doesn't matter. That's pretty modern. That's pretty quick. But like I say, these are really, really good. Best out there. The thing that I was put off with Apple is simply because with Apple ones, I remember in the days of the old ones where you plugged them in and they made this tinny noise and everyone could actually hear you. With this, no one can hear you outside, and we compared both the Apple version and these ones, and these were just so much better in the way the feel in your ear, but sound quality, they were dead on. So if you're not overly keen on, like I'm not, in using those, and the design of them I don't think is great, they're more showy, people can see them, where with the in-ear ones, they just look so much better with these. They look more stylish. You can get them in different colours. You can get them in teal, gold, black, which are these ones. I think there's another 1 or 2 colours. But Soul Republic actually do other in-ear speakers, if you like, in-ears, with a band going round. They also do plug-in ones. So they do a number of them, different price ranges. So just go onto their website, Soul Republic, and they've got it all on there. They are really, really good. I've had them for that long now, and they're still working perfectly. They sync together. When I read the reviews on Amazon, where I got them from, people are like, oh, they don't stay in. Well, that's because you've got different size ears to other people. And then the other factor is, oh, they don't sync, or it doesn't sync. Well, yeah, because sometimes you have to press the button for it to sync, and that helps it work. With anything with gadgets, you might get a little snag here or there, but so what? You just keep your finger on it up to 8 seconds, and it will sync. It's perfect. It's fine. They stay connected. I've been into a gym before. I've left it in my bag, and I've actually gone onto an exercise bike that's a few feet away. It worked. I've also been in the work canteen, left it on the table to go and put my plate over to be washed, and that's a few fair meters away, and still had music. Went into the bathroom to wash my hands, still had the music outside in my ears, and the phone was outside, and that's in between a wall, in between a door. So they really, really are good with the Bluetooth. The sound quality is probably the best I've had in any earphones, and I've had some big over-ear ones as well over the years, and these certainly are much, much better. And with battery life, it is true what it says. They don't take long to charge. As soon as you put it back in the base, from completely dead, less than an hour I found, they're fully charged again. So it's very, very quickly indeed. Yes, rumours are that Apple are bringing out version 2 this year, maybe in May, end of May, or June, July, or even maybe as far as September. Their new iPhone 11 is due to come out. These are coming out in September, so maybe the same time. So the competition is there. So trust me, get these, because these are very on par at the moment with what's out there. Version 2, I don't know if the sound quality is even better. I don't know how they can get even better, but if they do, then good. But I'll probably still keep these, to be honest, because they are just such good quality. But if Soul Republic do watch this video, and I hope they do, please send me some of their other earphones, and I will be quite happy to review them for you. But that's it. That's from me, AJ's Reviews, and I will see you very soon.